I started with this business because of this guy. I followed his footsteps. We want to focus on our own client to make sure that we can deliver a good service.
We can clean and service your evaporator coil at the same time. We offer a UV light to protect your evaporator coil. And of course, we also offer a purifier.
Hey there, it's Randy, and I'm joined here today by Ken and JR Rockwell of the Rockwell Brothers. And as a matter of fact, their new website is rockwellbrothershvac.com. And what we're going to explain in a series of videos here is more about indoor air quality, the HVAC system in your house, and how to maintain it and make sure that it's working efficiently. So right now, I'm going to introduce Ken here right now. He's going to explain a little bit more about his business, how long he's been in business, and what's behind us here.
Hello everyone, my name is Ken Rockwell. I'm the owner of RB Rockwell Brothers. I've been in the industry for 20 years and we're here to serve you.
And what about yourself then, JR? When did you get started in this business?
I started with this business because of this guy. I followed his footsteps. We want to help and grow our company after 20 years of experience. We want to focus on our own client to make sure that we can deliver a good.
Well, in the upcoming series of videos that you're going to see right now, they're going to go walk through everything from air duct cleaning, replacing that inefficient air filter that you have on your system, and to the stuff that's behind us here. What you're going to see is actually everything from a UV light. If you don't know anything about it, they're going to explain more about that. They're going to talk about an air purifier system that, removes odors. It's going to clean up the air and keep everybody healthy inside of your house, or at least healthier than you were before. Join us in this series of videos here where Ken and JR explain more about what they do and how they can benefit your family.
Here at Rockwell Brothers, so we offer the duct cleaning services to clean your ductwork. Also, we do have a filters that can last 6 months to protect your loved ones at your house. We also offer and show to you how to clean your evaporator coil. Most of the time, if your air conditioning system is about 5 years old and older, we can clean and service your evaporator coil. And same time, we offer a UV light to protect your evaporator coil. And of course, we also offer an air purifier.
I know that what you're talking about here is American-made products here, right from the purifier to the equipment behind you there. Can you explain more about those?
Yes, of course. Our purifier right here is made here in America. And right now, RB Rockwell Brothers have exclusive rights to sell this best product for you guys.
Now, what about the equipment here as far as furnaces and air conditioning units?
We want to offer the top of the line product out there. And of course, we're partnered with Trane air conditioning system and heating. And this is the best in the industry, American made, and it's top of the line. We have a purifier that basically you don't have to do anything. We have a smart technology that this system will connect to your Wi-Fi thermostat. And all you have to do is set the setting, and then the thermostat will turn on and off your blower motor for your purifier to be more effective.
And it's very, very simple to use. All you have to do is turn on the thermostat on and your fan on your thermostat. You can always set your thermostat if you have that updated one that circulates the thermostat every 15 to 20 minutes. So imagine if you're cooking, want to get rid of that smell, turn on the fan, takes 15 to 20 minutes. That will eliminate, and I promise you, eliminate that odor.
All right, guys, so we have active purifier here. It's actually exclusive right now with RB Rockwell Brothers. This thing can connect to your smartphone. You don't have to do anything, and we can have this installed to your house. So what we have here, the primary line of defense on every household here is we have our air filter. Traditionally, what we use is we use the 1-inch filter. What happened is if this filter is super dirty, it actually create a restriction. So let me explain to you how it works. So when this thing is super dirty after 3 to 4 months, this thing will bend over, and then all the dirt will seep through to the 4 corners. And after that, all the dirt and debris will go to your ducting.
And then basically what we're trying to do here is how can we protect our ducts, our furnaces, and the evaporator coil.
Also, what we have here is we would like to introduce our product that most of our clients love it. It's a 3-inch filter. It's designed to last 6 months. And also it has a higher rating, MERV 13, to protect your family and loved ones so you don't have a lot of allergens. Dust might build up inside your house. So the way it works, it goes to your normal return grill, so there's no modification for that. It goes like this, and then what you can see, what you notice is on our old filters is there is actually a weather guard strip here to protect your ducting. So the way it works is when the system collects a lot of dirt, everything is going to be rolled back to your pleated filter, and you don't have to work for the next 6 months. And Rockwell Brothers provide product and services, guys. Let's talk about the duct cleaning. JR, what do we have here, JR?
We got a rotor brush machine. We love this machine because these machine covers from 8 to 22 inches of ductwork. So this machine has a vacuum in here. So when it's running, you have the forward and reverse, and then the vacuum is happening.
Let's do the demo here. So when we're cleaning your house, what's happening is normally it's a 4 to 5 hours process, and we have this rod and the machine that actually clean inside, clean and extract all the dirt inside. So the way this thing works is actually the process of cleaning your ducting is the best way to clean is called agitation. So agitation is basically when you go to the ducting that we're gonna scrape all the dirt and debris without damaging your ductwork. You can turn it on, JR. So that's the brush, and then turn on the vacuum. So now we're doing a suction. Sorry. Reverse. So we have the top of the line machine out here that actually we can clean and sanitize your house. Not only that, while we're doing the process cleaning your house is this rotor brush machine right here. It comes with a HEPA filtration inside. What I mean by that is when we're doing the cleaning, we are not actually exposing the dirt or spreading the dust inside your house. So your house would be still clean while doing the process. And of course, we clean and vacuum everything. We put tarps to make sure that we protect your house.
We just got our ducts clean and we just replaced our filter. So the third step is introduce you about the evaporator coil. Why is it very important to homeowners here in Las Vegas to clean the evaporator coil? So here's the thing. This is the lungs of pretty much of your system. If you don't protect this could go fail anytime.
So what we're gonna have here, we're gonna show you how to extend the life of your system. So we're talking about efficiency, we're talking about performance, air conditioning, we're talking about if the system, your indoor coil, it's in good condition. So JR, show us like why do we need to clean the coils here in Vegas?
Every day, every time I go to a client's house, number one problem here is nobody talks about how can we clean this? How can we maintain this to make sure the life of your system could last longer than, regular air conditioner expectant. First thing what we do is we inspect your system. We open this part. We have to very carefully open this because this is basically very fragile. So me and my brother here in Rockwell Brothers, we are trying to promote our cleaning so that when we clean the system, after 6 years or 10 years again, how can we protect it?
So right now what we're doing is if we go to your house, if your house is 10 years old and above, if you never had your indoor coil cleanings being cleaned, so we offer a chemical coil cleaning. So we clean inside your system. So we open this portion right here. We have a coil cleaner and we clean with a small compressor with water in it. We clean and rinse everything. We make it sure that your coil is clean. We make it sure that your coil is actually shiny. So the purpose for that is if your air conditioning it's working, it's going to be more efficient and prevent you from more damage to your unit, more efficient for your system, and your system will perform a lot better. So JR, talk about us like how do we protect our coil long term?
Yeah, what we got here is we have a UV light stick, okay? So if you look, very simple. What we're providing is information because sometimes if this drain pan creates a lot of water and this is where the mold starts, how can we protect this after we service and clean it? We want to protect it to put a UV light, kill the bacteria and germs and microorganisms that builds in there. So imagine you're inhaling that 24/7 you don't know about.
Yes, so what happened is we actually have a product that we can protect your evaporator coil. So we have here is our UV light. It's a Germicidal UV light system. So the way it works is that when the light is on, it shines a light to your evaporator coil and keeps the coil clean. So in other words, we don't need to keep your coil, we don't need to clean your coil like every 2 to 3 years. We don't need to open that. So the UV light will do its job to prevent that from building up. And second is the installation for this. It comes with 24 volt. It runs 24/7 and it's very efficient also because it doesn't eat a lot of electricity. So the question is like, how do we maintain it? So every 2 to 3 years, we have to change this UV light stick here.
So reach out to RockwellBrothersHVAC.com. Visit them on any of the video platforms that you see out there, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. They look forward to talking to you soon. Give them a call. What's your number that they can call you at?
702-448-9348.
Awesome, guys. We'll look forward to talking to you soon.